My friends, we are live here at the beach and we're taking you on a front-facing camera test. I've got both phones in my hands, the iX and the Samsung Galaxy S9. The cool thing about this today is that it's pretty damn windy.
It's really windy.
Yeah, this is also a microphone test.
Interestingly enough, there's actually a cyclone coming.
What?
Cyclone Linda.
But it's the Gold Coast Commonwealth Games coming up.
Good luck to all you athletes that might be competing.
Alrighty, to me it sounds like the S9 cancels noise slightly better. And it seems to be handling the exposure of the sky, the sea, the beach better here too.
This is the Kmart experience. We are going to buy some stuff from here. Let's go.
I am cool because I am in the sports section. I'm ready to get spotty. You wanna get spotty with me? Let's go get some spottiness.
I've got my equipment, got my activewear, and now it's time to get training. Shopping and I'm ready to go home. Let's go. I've decided that I'm gonna go and hang out with you instead because you're too cool. Yay! Slow-mo time!
What?
I've got to say, I do like the front-facing camera of one of these phones more than the other.
Really? Mm-hmm. Which one? I think your one, maybe.
No, I think your one.
Well, it's wider field of view, I think. Look at your face. It's a lot smaller.
That's true.
Yeah.
But the picture quality seems to be a lot clearer on your one. Wasn't it?
Yeah, your one does
grainy.
look more grainy. Look at that quality over there.
God, whoa.
It's interesting. There's a lot of action happening here. Now, no, this Samsung Galaxy S9 has not improved the low light on the front-facing camera. I remember the Samsung Galaxy S7, it had a wide-angle front-facing camera and it was ace.
Oh, that was
Yeah,
good.
that one was good. You see the whole scene, you can see what's going on. This one, you need to have really long arms.
Okay, it's interesting.
Which one is better?
I think the Samsung S9 is better in quality. My one just looks grainy.
Yeah, but this is grainy, but maybe the...
No, the X is definitely
Oh my
more grainy.
god, the iPhone is a
It's
lot more
definitely
grainy.
more grainy.
So the front-facing camera is actually pretty good from the Samsung.
That's
Respect,
really good.
good job.